Hello children, welcome to Topper IIT Foundation. So in this session I am going to teach you about knowing of our numbers from 6th class IIT. Okay, so in this the topics are knowing our numbers. Children, do you know about number system? Means natural numbers. Second one is whole numbers as well as integers. Okay, then after rational numbers. Fifth one is irrational numbers. So and the remaining numbers, for example, even numbers, odd numbers, composite numbers, prime numbers, okay, co-prime numbers, as well as twin primes. These all we call it as number system. Okay. So first we will discuss about these numbers. Okay. So what is the mean by natural numbers? Natural numbers. Just see the meaning of natural number is generally one see how many students are there in a class. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4 like that we can count. Okay, how many fingers you have means for 2 hands we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that we can count. So we should not say I have -1 finger. I have -10 fingers. We should not say in a negative form. Okay, so such type of numbers we call it as natural numbers. Means the definition of natural number is, what is that? Counting numbers are called as natural numbers. Counting numbers are called as natural numbers. Okay, for example 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. Here once observe, we did not write 0, we did not write -1 because we should not count -1, 0 like that. So we always start the counting from 1. Did you understand? So that's why your rule numbers also one see 1, 2, 3 like that only. Nobody call you 0 rule number, -1 rule number, -2 rule number. Did you understand? So that's why the counting numbers are called as natural numbers. These are always positive. Natural numbers are always positive, and it is denoted by capital N. The examples are 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. Did you understand? So these numbers we call it as natural numbers. What is the definition of natural number? Counting numbers are called as natural numbers. What is that? Counting numbers are called as natural numbers. Okay, that is the definition of natural number, and it is denoted by capital N. The examples are 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. Okay, so etc. So next one is after natural numbers. Second one is whole number. What is that? Whole number. So simply I will tell an example just to see. We can express the definition by seeing the example. Okay. So here for example the example of whole number is 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. So here one see this 1, 2, 3, 4 are natural numbers. So natural numbers along with 0. Natural numbers along with 0 are known as, what is that? Natural numbers along with 0 are known as, what is that? Whole number. Whole number starts from 0. Natural number starts from 1. So that is the difference between the natural number as well as whole number. And it is denoted by capital W. So whole numbers are denoted by capital W. Okay. So the example for the whole number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash. What is the definition of whole number? Natural number along with 0. Natural number along with 0 is known as whole number. Natural number along with 0 is known as whole number. Okay. Next one is integer. What is the next one? Integer. Okay. What is the mean by integer? Nothing but just see. Just now we learned about the whole number. Okay. So what is the whole number? Natural number along with 0. And what is the mean by integer? Nothing but whole numbers taken both signs positive and negative. Whole number taken both signs positive and negative are known as integer. Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus, like that we can write. Plus or minus infinity. So here minus infinity dash dash dash, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 dash 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 plus infinity. Did you understand? So these we call it as, what is that? Integers. These we call it as integers. Otherwise we can say the meaning of or definition of integers: collection of negative numbers, positive numbers along with 0. Collection of negative numbers, positive number along with 0. Also we call it as which one? Integers. So this integers is denoted by z, the symbol z. Okay. So integers are denoted by z. And example for the integer 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, dash dash dash, plus or minus infinity. And otherwise we can say all the positive numbers and negative numbers along with the 0 are known as integers. So that is about the integers. After integer, next one we are going to discuss about the which one? Rational number. What is that? Rational numbers. Do you know, children, what is the mean by rational number? Okay. The simple definition of a rational number is a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q. A number which can be expressed in the form of p by q is known as, what is that? What is that rational number? A number which can be expressed in the form of p by q is known as a rational number. So write the definition: a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q. Here what is the condition? Q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0. Then only we have to say what is that? It is a rational number. Otherwise it is a undefined value. Something by 0 is undefined. We should not say that is a rational number. Okay. So a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0 is known as, what is that? A rational number. A rational number. And rational number, it is denoted by capital Q. It is denoted by capital Q. The examples are 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 5 by 7, or 2, 1, 3, minus 2. Like that we can take these all are which one? Rational number only. Don't think that here there is no denominator. So for this whole numbers, natural numbers and integers, the default denominator is 1. The default denominator is 1. So we can say which one? These natural numbers as well as whole numbers as well as integers also, what is that? Rational numbers only. Okay. So this is about the rational number. What is the mean by rational number? A number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where q not equal to 0 is known as a rational number. So next one, irrational numbers. Next one is, what is that? Irrational numbers. So what is the mean by irrational number? Nothing but, so it is quite opposite for the rational number. What is the quite opposite? Simple way, rational number means a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q. Same way, what is the mean by irrational number? A number which cannot be or can't be expressed in the form of p by q is known as an irrational number. Okay, for example, imperfect square root values and some non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, some trigonometric values. Okay, all I am not telling all the trigonometric ratios because it gives some rational number and irrational numbers also. Some it gives non-terminating, non-repeating decimal as well as logarithmic values also. It gives non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So that's why these all we can call it as irrational number. What is the mean by irrational number? A number which cannot be or can't be expressed in the form of p by q is known as which one? An irrational number. An irrational number. A number which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q. Here also the condition q not equal to 0. So, and one more way, the decimal form of a number is non-terminating, not repeating decimal. So, such a type of numbers we call it as irrational numbers. And real numbers. What is that? Real numbers. Do you know, children, what is the mean by real numbers? So, real numbers nothing but the combination of rational and irrational numbers. The combination of rational and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. Okay. So, for this we will give both as an example rational number and irrational number. In case if we express this in the Venn diagram, so this is the natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers along with 0, it is whole number, and the whole numbers taken by both positive and negative symbol, that is called as integer. Okay, and it is all we call it as rational number. It's all we call it as rational number. Okay, and which one are not rational numbers, that all we call it as irrational numbers. And this rational and irrational number we call it as what is that? Real numbers. This total we call it as real numbers. Did you understand? So like that we can express the definitions of meaning of all the number system. So then in this chapter we discussed about the which one? Number system. Then we are going to discuss about the place value as well as face value of numbers. Okay, place value as well as face value. For example, we'll discuss about the face value first. What is the mean by face value? Nothing but, so for example, if we take 5129 is a number, so here the face value of 9 is 9 only. Face value of 2 is 2 only. Okay, and face value of 1 is 1 only. Face value of 5 is 5 only. So here what is the mean by face value? Nothing but the value of digit without taking or irrespective of place value. The value of digit without taking place value or irrespective of place value. We can say which one? Face value. We can say face value. Face value nothing but the value of digit irrespective of face value is known as irrespective of place value is known as face value. So these are the example for the which one? Face value. For the same question, if we discuss about the place value, for example 5129 if we take, so the place value of 9 is 9, and place value of 2 is 20. Next, the place value of 1 is 100, and place value of 5 is what is that? 5,000. So this is the difference. These are the difference between the face value and place value. So here we have to consider the place value, because 9 is in unit place, 2 is in tens place, 1 is in hundreds place, and 5 is in thousands place. That's why 5 into 1000 equal to 5000, 1 into 100 equal to 100, 2 into 10 equal to 20, 9 into 1 equal to, because it is a unit place value. So here the value of digit respecting of place value is known as place value. Okay, face value nothing but irrespecting the place value. We did not consider the place value when we are going to find out the face value. So these are the difference between the face value and the place value. What is the mean by face value? The value of digit irrespecting of place value is known as face value. So these are the examples for the face value. And place value, the value of digit, which one? With respecting of which one? Place value. It gives the place value. So these are the difference between the face value and place value. Face value and place value. So next one is comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. So comparison of number. For example, how can we compare nothing but, so 8129 and 8132. So first you compare the thousands. Here these are same, 8 equal to 8. So then we have to go to compare the next number. So these numbers are also same. So again we have to shift to the next number. So here we have to compare. So next number is 2. Here next number is 3. So here which number is bigger, children? 2 or 3? Absolutely 3 is the correct one. So that's right. So this is 2, 3 is the greater. So what can we write? So here 8129 is lesser than 8132, because first two values are equal and next two values are also equal. But when we comes to the tens place value, 3 is greater. Did you understand? So due to that reason, so these numbers are, which one? Means in these two numbers, this 8132 is greater than 8129. 8129. And one more thing is that, so here for the comparison we can use the symbols. So this is lesser than, this is lesser than or smaller than, and this symbol we use to represent the greater than. What is that? Greater than or more than. Okay, and this symbol we use to equal. For example, so another example we will take. What is that example? So if we write 8129 and another one is 8129. So now which symbol we are going to use? So compare the numbers. Okay, these all are equal. So then we can write equal. Okay, and another number will take 8129 and 8112. Okay, again compare. These 8s are same. 1000 place values are same. And 100 place values are also same. And 10 place values check. Here this is 2 greater than 1. So this number 8129 is greater than 81112. So like that we have to compare. So when the higher place values are equal, okay, then what we have to do? We have to compare that. For example, these numbers. So here 2 digit number always greater than the 1 digit number. 2 2-digit number is always greater than the 1-digit number, and 3-digit number is always greater than the which one? 2-digit number. Okay, and 4-digit number is always greater than the which one? Okay, 3-digit numbers. Did you understand? So like that, 2-digit number is always greater than the 1-digit number as well as 3-digit. So in case that the digits are equal, we have to say what is that? Equal, or we have to compare the next place value. Next place value. So like that we have to compare the values. Compare the values. Okay. And how can we form the greatest number and the smallest number with the given numbers? Okay. How can we convert the greatest number and the smallest number with the given numbers? Nothing but, so here for example if you take 8129, so form